I've never been one that's done much artwork with color or anything else such as colored pencils or markers, but today I've got here the Bic marking marker. And they're kind of like a cross between a fine liner and using a marker. But anyways, there's a large assortment of colors here, and I noticed there seems to be more colors in the blue and purple variation than there is of the other colors. So we're going to try and see what we can make today with these here, and talk a little bit about what I've been up to. But first, I've got this Lamy Safari here, and try to use that a little bit in this drawing as well. See what we can make with that. Now I've got my sketchbook. Let's think about what we want to create here. So I think the first thing we're going to do is just probably, if I can think, make a line or two here and there. But anyways, things are going good. The weather now outside is getting to where there's a lot of overcast. It's gotten a lot colder, and things aren't as sunny outside. So I end up being indoors more often than normal, and so it gives me more time to think about drawing and reflect on my life, think about things I need to improve in my life and with my artwork, and in the meanwhile, make more content for everybody that follows me and that's subscribed to see more content that I can create that not only am I improving my artwork and having more time to think about things and more time to myself, but it's helping others, I hope, at least, to try to find the artist in them and improve their artwork or maybe other areas of their life. Although my channel is dedicated towards artwork, I do tend to often, here and there, venture off the path and make videos that are motivational or give inspiration, hopefully, to those that need it most, and maybe in the long run I'll end up helping a lot of people, and they can find the creativity within themselves to start creating more. I was asked a few times about how it is that I make so much artwork, what it is that motivates me, and it's really just the love of doing it, the joy of creating something new, of not knowing what I'm going to create next. That's what I really like about creating abstract art and doodling. There's always something new to create that hasn't been put out in the world yet. When it comes to drawing things that are hyper-realistic and drawing portraits, yes, it does help you a lot improving your drawing and your skill with the drawing. But the same can be done with doodling or creating abstract artwork. And meanwhile, you won't feel like it's a monotonous job of doing the same thing over and over, of having to worry about making everything perfect. You can just have fun with it, create something new every day. And that's really one of the joys that I just love the most about doodling and creating abstract art. As you can see here, nothing was really planned. I don't often draw or do anything with colors, but because I'm doodling and creating something abstract, I don't have to worry about trying to make everything perfect. I can just put something on the paper, whatever it is that I'm feeling at the moment or thinking, and put it out there for the world to see. Although it might not be a lot of people that see it at the moment, that's besides the point. The point is to just have fun with what you're doing and enjoy the moment and every day that comes. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.